Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for tuning into another video. If you've been following along, you know we picked up the 23 Frontier Pro-4X here. And there's something that Nissan gives you when you buy the truck. So if you're following along with the channel, you'll see what's up with these. And if you're looking to purchase a truck like this yourself, this is something that you can look forward to with your own truck. All right, so like I said, this is a 2023 Frontier Pro-4X. And what Nissan has done for these models is they've added what they call utili system along the three sides there. And basically what it is it's just a little aluminum track. And if you look up close, it's got little notches all along, and that is different tie down points. Now, this, if you're wondering, is not actually part of it. That is part of the tonneau cover. That cover from Bison actually came with these, specifically made for the trucks with this track. And you can see it hooks in there, just gives you a point to tighten down and lock your tonneau cover. So that's pretty sweet. So basically what this is, if that is out of the way, is just a track system all the way around your truck. And what Nissan actually gives you when you buy the vehicle are these. Now, I'm on some of the Facebook groups. I see a few people have more than two of these. But I think per vehicle you get two. You can order more from Nissan if you would like, but you get two with the vehicle as long as you have the track system installed. And basically what this is just extra little tie down points. You got a wheel in the middle, you got your little fancy head end of the, we'll call it a bolt, I guess, and you just twist this, get it nice and loose. You can see it comes out, that's all the way loose, and you come over here to your track system, and basically what you do is this just pops in there. It goes this way, and I don't know if you guys can really see in there. When you twist this to make it tight, you just twist her down. You can see you slide it along, and the head of the bolt will actually drop into those notches. You just tighten this down. Doesn't have to be super tight, just give it a good twist. Now you can see you got an extra tie down point. So with two of those, it works awesome because not only if you have something small, maybe you have, I don't know, if you're a landscaper or something, you might have a garbage can or a little container for fuel and stuff like that. You can put one in the corner and one in the corner and just have a little, little tie strap or a little bungee cord or something to hook your stuff down. Or if you're having something larger, maybe a dirt bike or something, this is only a 5-foot bed. So most guys I've seen kind of have it on an angle like so. You kind of tie down one corner and the other. And then on another note, on top of those, you do have this, and this is in all the trucks. You got one bolted to the body there. Same with on the other side. And I know it's dark under the tonneau cover, but there's one up top just at the end on each side of this. So on each side you have the same little black hook like this, extra tie down points as well. But from Nissan, just to have this added on is a nice little touch, because like I said, anything, pretty much any size, any shape, you can kind of adjust these where you want them and just make your life a little easier, and obviously safer to have your stuff strapped down properly instead of just from each corner. And it just overall an easy install. You can see they just twist on. If you want it to move around, just untwist it. You don't have to go all the way loose. Just give her a little wobble to get that bolt the right way. And you can just push or slide. Of course, it's not going to work with one hand on here now. There you go. You can just slide it wherever you want. Same thing. Find your sweet spot, tighten her down, and you're good to go. Now when you take this back out of here, like so, you can see on the back here as well, it's got the two little raised spots there on each side. And once that bolt is in and tightened down, that is cut out space-wise for the width of the spacing there. So that clicks in, locks it, stops it from being able to wobble back and forth. That's why you don't have to make this thing tight. You don't have to hulk it down. Just give it a twist, finger tight, give it that extra little bit. You could see how much of a pain it was to get off, and you guys seen me just tighten this up by hand. So definitely doesn't need to be wrenched down on there or anything crazy like that, because those two little guides will keep it from wobbling around and should keep your stuff in place, and you don't have to worry about everything flying out or bouncing around in the bed of your truck. And now the only thing I don't understand about this system that they have with this track is why it is split. You can see it's cut right there, and it's the same on the driver's side. You have one long piece sliced, and then a little, 1.5 foot, 2 foot piece. And then the back is all one solid chunk again. So why they slice that, I don't know. Instead of just having one longer piece of aluminum. I don't know if it's something for shipping or something for bolting it on possibly. Maybe there's something behind there. Maybe one of you guys know. If you do, drop a comment, let me know why. But just looking at it, they do have it lined up perfectly. Like you can slide those things right through, no problem. If you watch the video of the tonneau install, you can see me sliding those little brackets in, and it goes through there no problem. It's not like it's misaligned or anything. They have it set up as if it's one piece, but why they split it, I do not know. And now if you've bought a truck and you have the track system in the bed and you're wondering, well, hey, I don't have these. One, you either bought it used possibly, and whoever has the truck still has those or have already sold them. Or two, like my truck, if you come in the back, when I purchased this car, the rear seat, I know it's kind of dark in there, but the rear seat folds up and you got the storage under the rear seat, and that is actually where they were. They told me about them. I knew they came with the truck, but if your guy, whoever sold you the car, forgot, lift up the seat, just double check. They are packed in a box. It's not like they're rattling around making a bunch of noise. So chances are they're back there. If not, go back to your Nissan dealership or whoever you bought the truck from and just ask them, hey, just wondering, this does have the track system in it. Does it come with a couple hooks? And like I said, if you want a couple more hooks, you can order them from Nissan directly. They are pretty pricey for what it is. I know there's a couple aftermarket brands now. They're smaller, similar to the ones that are on the bed of the truck there. And same idea though, they click in, roll, just tighten them down, but they're just like little squares. Little less bulky, maybe a little easier to put on, easier to store, but for free, when you buy the truck, that's what you get from Nissan. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching another video. Just a little goodie you get with the truck when you purchase one. Like I said, the PRO-4X, I'm pretty sure all the PRO-4X trucks come with them. The other models, I'm not sure if it's an add-on or if you can or cannot get it. Not 100% sure on that, but like I said, if you open up the bed, you have the track in there, you should have at least 2 of those. If not, go to your dealership and ask about it, or if you just want extras, you can order them online or order them through your dealership as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you want to see on the truck. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we catch you guys in the next video.